Hi everyone, this is Star with Ariana Star with the pick a card reading for the week starting from 19 to 25th August 2024. I have two piles here. This is pile A, which is this star, and this is pile B, which is a shell. If you look closely, you can see the design on it. I do equate it with the shell, so I'm going to say so. First, you can pause the video and decide intuitively which pile you are being drawn to. We do have the timestamp given in the description box, so in case you want to proceed and go directly to your reading, you can do just that. Let's just get down to your reading. Those of you who pick pile A, which is the star, these are your messages for the week ahead. The first card in this reading is the Queen of Swords. Straight away I'm picking up that you're going to be someone who is going to brook no nonsense. You're going to be in a position of strength. Very likely you're going to call the shots. Your unflappable demeanor is also going to help you get ahead even if you feel edgy and nervous. I think with this card you're going to use your intelligence. You're also going to be quite tactful while dealing with clients, perhaps a bit firm, and put people in their place. Your schedule could also be disrupted. Maybe clients or patrons could reschedule meetings at this time, but then you are going to come good. Technical challenges could also arise. Those of you who are working, maybe there are going to be office events lined up, and you're going to add a feather to your cap because your department is going to put on a good show. It's also possible that you could be dealing with the air signs, Aquarius, Gemini, as well as Libra. Discussions, negotiations also hold the key. Primarily, it is your focus that is going to pay dividends. As the week goes on, there are going to be minor gains also with the Page of Pentacles. Sometimes we are promised much, but we have to settle for less. Something is better than nothing. Other than that, I think communication is also going to increase. Again, you're going to be praised. Even your good counsel is going to be effective. Maybe your family is going to put certain limitations on you, but then you also need to be careful because there are those times when you're going to be overloaded with work with the 10 of Wands. Maybe you feel that things are caving in or that the pressure is mounting on you. You have to stay motivated because the dark clouds will certainly pass. There's going to be the bright sun for sure, so stay motivated. I think your family could question your moves at this time, but then outsiders could be extremely supportive. It is going to be somewhat tricky and prickly as well. You will also be better served if you play the waiting game. Quite like this chess player, I think you need to reconsider your moves. You should contemplate, brainstorm with others, or bide your time because divine timing is also at work. Nothing happens before time. Incidentally, Lenormand's communication or birds has also come up, so gossip could also swirl, but then birds also talks about dealing with other people via communication and benefiting on account of the same. Like I said, there could also be small gatherings, social events. With respect to your love life, I also have this card, closeness, comfort and warmth from the Love Oracle deck, which means that in case you're romancing, you can expect a level of comfort with your partner. You could spend intimate moments with each other. Maybe at times you're going to give your person the cold shoulder, perhaps because you're neck deep in work. But it is imperative for you to enjoy the warmth, spend time with your partner. Maybe when others are going to question your moves and motives, your person is going to be rock solid, standing for you. I do have this card, Pink, Love, Caring, Compassion, which means the same. There is a feeling of compassion in a relationship. Maybe you also need to spend time with your person outdoors, give him flowers, or you could be receiving flowers from your person. Deepening of bonds, deepening of friendship. You need to be compassionate towards yourself as well as others. Don't judge yourself harshly. Maybe you should also wear your heart on your sleeve, because the Queen of Swords is a very aloof and detached lady, and you are being asked to bring in that closeness, comfort and warmth in an existing romantic connection this week, pile A. I hope pile A you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Do give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time. So if you pick pile B, which is this shell right here, these are your messages for the week ahead. Possibly you're also someone who is going to enjoy time by the sea. Maybe you should also protect your energies, because sea salt is formed on account of the sea. The first card in this reading is the Three of Cups. Now this is a very light-hearted energy, so the beginning of the week is something which you can take it nice and slow. Maybe you're also going to be socializing. You're going to meet up with friends and acquaintances. You're also going to benefit on account of them. Perhaps maybe you should also spend time with younger people, children, in case you're a parent. Then they could be a concern for you. You also need to upgrade your skills on the social networking sites, maybe enhance them. I do have the King of Swords, which is another card from the tarot deck. Now this talks about the need for you to negotiate, maybe brainstorm with those who are older than you, perhaps a senior male figure. There are going to be problems that could arise, and it is your quick thinking which could help you. But sometimes with this card I also perceive that you could be someone who could be procrastinating. Maybe you don't want to take the bull by the horns immediately. Perhaps you feel that it's always you who has to be the flag bearer for the family, or in situations that you find yourself in, you do know your responsibilities, but you tend to take it easy. You don't want to do tasks right away, and this could rattle your loved ones, your family members. I think financial matters could also affect your relationship. Look closely at paperwork, because technical and paperwork is going to increase. Besides, pile B, you should also be mindful of your speech, because you tend to speak in a coded fashion. With the Four of Pentacles, money could be an issue as the week draws to a close for sure. Maybe you have cash, but then it may not be sufficient. It is going to be a time when you need to be patient, because slow progress is there. Maybe there are errors which you need to look into. Besides, others aren't systematic. Pile B, there's no point getting worked up. You also need to re-examine your career moves. Maybe those of you who are looking for better prospects may not find those opportunities. Bookkeeping, banking work will also be a priority. The universe does ask you to brush it off. Maybe there are things which are bothering you, which are affecting your mindset, your mental abilities. It is playing on your head. So ignore those things, because it could be inconsequential. Sometimes we make a mountain out of a molehill by overthinking, and that is exactly what you can do without. The bear from Lenormand has also come up, so this talks about financial matters. Like I said, finances could be something which could be uppermost on your mind. Maybe there are going to be opportunities to make gains, but do read between the lines before you sign any documents. The bear also stores, so save for a rainy day. Anger management issues could also affect your relationships, because the bear can definitely go wild. There are certain things which are also going to be hidden, or people could be two-faced. They could be keeping things from you. Sometimes it could be for your highest good, but then at times some people are quite deceptive, so you need to be careful of that. Evidently, I do have the card My Other Soul. With respect to your love life, this talks about a soulmate connection. the two of you are in harmony with each other. Maybe you are picking up sensations. With the Three of Cups, some of you could be in a third party situation, or your friends could also play matchmaker this week. So if you are going to socialize and if you are single, then you need to be open to receiving love. Some of you could also be concerned about the health of your partner. The longevity of your partner could be a concern this week, by and large, I think you need to dig in your heels this week. You also need to look closely at your finances. Maybe that is why you have picked up the shell here, which talks about protection, protecting and safeguarding yourself, because there is an undercurrent which you should not ignore. There could be an energy shift. So safeguard your energy levels this week between 19th to 25th August 2024. I hope I'll be like your reading. This is Jaya with Ariana Stark. Do give us your feedback in the comment section. Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.